Today you'll see us fishing the beautiful Madison River above Quake Lake. We're going after some feisty rainbow. You don't want to miss this action.
Here I am and I'm ready to rock. I got my hip waders on, but I ain't got no socks. Got some flies and some lures in my tackle box. Yeah, I'll fish anywhere, even out of the docks. So get your fish on. Come on, come on. I got a fish on. So won't you go on a fish with me? Wow. Don't you know it'll set you free? We're gonna get some big fishies. So come on and fish with me. With me.
We pulled into the parking area for the Madison River above Quake Lake, and within minutes we were casting our lines. It's fighting good against this current. Yeah, looks like a brown, could be a bow. Maybe 7-8 inches, but they're scrappy up here. Scrappy. Yeah, I was casting up that higher bank because I could just see my fly a little bit better. This guy came up. You could see it come up from the bottom. It's pretty cool. I pulled the small rainbow toward me. Yeah, swim away. Cool. All right.
Yeah, it's fun on the dry, right?
Yeah, I think, yeah. Was that the dry? No, I don't think it was.
Yeah, it was
No. We were heading down the river and we saw some fish rising. We thought we'd cast a few and see what would happen. Steve hooked into a nice fish.
That was so cool. Yes. That was cool. It's nice. Got the right fly.
Yeah,
First try.
It's a hard cast to make across the slick current.
Yep.
Oh, it's a beauty.
Yeah, it's a nice bow, I think. Saw nice colors when he came out of the water. That was awesome. I couldn't see my fly, but I could see the fish strike in the area, you know, just set the hook. That was cool.
That was so cool.
I don't like it straight downstream here. Good fighter.
Yeah. What did you have on?
5X.
Okay.
Ooh, it's a nice fish. It's got a good look at him. Oh yeah, I'm sure that's a bow.
Oh, that's a great fish.
Wonder if these are cuts.
Steve directed the fish toward the calm water of a small side channel. The feisty fish continued fighting, but Steve finally managed to subdue the rainbow. There he goes.
It's a nice bow, yeah.
Yes.
What do you think, 16 maybe?
Probably 16-inch bow, very nice.
Awesome dry fly action.
That's worth the high five there.
Yeah, no doubt. On the caddis. Right there.
Wow.
Cool.
Very nice.
Yep. Let's do that again.
Yes.
There are fish rising right across this fast water, and makes it a really tough cast. You got to go over the top and try and keep your fly floating normal. Okay, the key to getting your fly to these fish over this fast water is to throw a little extra line and then mend upstream. Hopefully you'll get a nice drag-free drift that way. Oh, got him. Whoa! Yeah, that was an awesome jump. I'm pretty sure this one wasn't as big as the last one, but still.
Nice fish.
Yep.
Coming at you?
Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, I think he might actually be foul hooked right now. He probably came after the fly and then got foul hooked. Yeah, he's acting kind of funny. Yeah, I did hook someone else's line. He had someone else's line wrapped around him, I think. Or no, that's just mine.
Is it?
Yeah, but see, look at all the hair came out of my caddis. That's why I didn't recognize the fly, and that's why it wasn't floating.
Which one did it hit?
I don't know. Yeah. It's just bizarre.
We've been seeing some really nice fish rise out in this pool. So I'm gonna wade out as far as I can and try to make a drag-free drift. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing the mayfly still coming off. Oh, one flashed at it. Oh! Oh, it's a big guy. There it is. There's a good bull. It's not the big guy I just saw rise, but wow, it's exciting fishing. Man, that's the most fun way to fish. I'm telling you. See that fish rise, just come up and pop it. This is probably only maybe a 12, 13 inch fish, but I saw one that was probably 15, 16 porpoising out there. Got a really good calm water spot right here that I'm gonna try to land this fish in. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous trout. Oh yeah. Oh no! Good heavens, no! That was a beautiful fish. And I had it in the calm water, everywhere, right where I wanted it. It was a bow. No, it was a gorgeous bow. I saw it flashing right in there. Dang it, that's frustrating. Frustrating.
Right. Most of the way, huh?
Yeah, but man, I wanted that. I want to release that thing. It's beautiful. Oh, well, darn it.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish. Okay. This rock out here in the water is really nice because not only does it get you out of the water and the water pressure's not beating up against you, but it also adds a little more height. So you can cast a little bit farther, get a little better angles and a little better drift. The whole key is getting on it without falling. Oh! Do you see that thing hit? Dang it, they're hitting like crazy. I'm not paying attention. I'm not paying attention. I'm really gonna have to mend. Oh! Oh my! Woo! Ho! Oh! This is a little bit exciting. That's a jumper. That is a jumper fish. Man, I love this area up here above Quake Lake. Again, I'm gonna try to get this guy in. I haven't had a whole lot of luck. He has other ideas though. This is one feisty rainbow. Whoa, there he goes. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh! Oh! Gone it. What is wrong with me? What is wrong?
I don't know, but it's wrapped around me.
Yeah, at least I hooked the cameraman.
Right there on my arm.
Oh no. Sorry, Steve.
It's okay.
The fly we're catching these fish with is a size 14 elk hair caddis with an olive colored body.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the best one yet. It's the best one yet. Oh man. I gotta get on this side of that rock. It's my main goal. That's the best fish yet, Steve. Oh, my heart's pumping. I've never had so much excitement or fear. Or fear because I've been over here before, haven't we? Oh! Yeah. Yep, I'm not sure it's as big as that other one, but man alive. Uh-oh, he's going back in that fast water. Jeez, it's a beauty. Yeah, get that guy in film because I'm afraid I might be in trouble. Oh, gorgeous bow. Oh man, they're some of the most, yeah, they're so feisty. Oh, isn't that a beautiful color?
These kind of remind me of the Alaska rainbows.
Yeah, they're so beautiful. Finally.
Nice job.
Ooh, finally.
That's
Oh.
the creme of fishing.
Oh, yeah, that's just so exciting. Jeez. Oh, Steve.
Okay, tell us how you did it.
Well, what I did was I used Steve's fly.
What is it?
It's a caddis. I would go into more detail, but I have no idea. I used your fly, I used your casting technique, and your fishing hole. And that's how I got it, so now it's your turn.
The stretch of river we are fishing sits above Earthquake Lake, a lake formed when an earthquake caused a massive landslide, leading to the untimely death of many campers, and completely cutting off the flow of the Madison. After a man-made trench was dug, the river once again began to flow through the Madison Valley.
Yeah, I saw one rise way over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He just took it on the drag. Oh yeah, he hit on that. He just hit on the drag there that time. Oh yeah. Yep, feisty bow. Wow, that's incredible. Whew. They can jump. Oh, these guys are awesome fighters. Incredible fat fish. Now get him in the slack water. Man, something else. Get my forceps ready here. You don't like the camera. It's camera shy. These guys.
Oh, beautiful.
What color?
Oh, yes.
Incredible.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Thanks.
Very nice, Steve.
That was fun.
That
Not the
was fun.
spectacular take on that one because he just took it on the drag, so I didn't see him. You know, he just started pounding away, but jumping like crazy.
Yeah, that was
Jumping like
amazing
crazy.
jumping.
Yep.
All right, nice job.
Yeah, thanks.
I saw the fish rising over by that log.
Well, hopefully this isn't going to be too much for Ladin. He's going to give it a try so we can get over by that log.
I didn't want to wear the mics for this wade because the current was pretty strong. I figured there was a 50% chance that I might fall.
The bottom's not too bad for wading, so that helps a little bit. He just gets through that current right there.
I saw a fish rising over by that log and I had to get there. It was a perilous wade, but I thought I'd try it.
I think it'll slow down on him. Oop. That should be it right there. Looking a little more relaxed. Good. Okay. Seen some big fish rising in that area. Oh yeah. Oh. Wasn't paying attention there again, I think. Oh yeah, there he goes. There he goes. Nice fish. That one looked like it took its subsurface. Good. Oh, nice jump. Trying to get a line onto his reel. That's always tough to do. Let the reel fight it. Oh, he's got a little slack there. Get back on him. Good job. You want to just stay there? Ladin, you just want to land it there? He's coming back. He's crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Good job. That's tough wading. Oh yeah, nice bow.
Whoa, it's big.
Yep.
Big bow.
Try and get him.
Woo! There he goes. All right. We got it. Oh man, that was exciting. Wasn't too hard wading over there. Wading back, that's a different story.
Yeah, I thought you might lose it there for a minute.
Oh, that was a disaster, but I did make it. I didn't fall in, so
Yep, good job.
that's pretty good stuff.
Yep,
All right.
good job.
Our time was now done on this small stretch of the Madison. As we drove off, we had one final glimpse of its spectacular scenery. And as for the fish we had landed, well, they were some of the most beautiful we had ever seen.